What's up everybody? Jason Page here. Dawn. That's Dawn. We are doing a shot that we're really excited about, and I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I'm creating the shot as a new little YouTube video feature. Dawn is the lovely model for this image, and what we're doing is we're creating an image where it looks like there's hands down here at the bottom, kind of pulling her down, and she's reaching up like so, trying to be pulled up out of hell. So this is a shot that we're getting. Here we go. So that's basically it there. She is getting pulled down by these hands that are fire, and then up here she's getting pulled up by another hand, which is light. And just let me explain what's happening here. Dawn is on this side, so camera side. She's holding up her hand there on the opposite side of the sheet. I have a small piece of tape, which will be, bring your hand down just a hair, Dawn. There we go, like that. So as you can see, that is where her hand will be right there. So that tape is there so that when I come to this side, I'm going to put my hand there and make it the silhouette. I'm illuminating her on this side, illuminating her as the model. All the other illumination is going on the back side of the sheet here. I am using the purple color filter and hood to illuminate her from up top, shining down onto her. That's the first thing that I'm doing. Using the color filter and hoods, just a couple different colors, illuminating all on this side, creating the silhouettes on this side, and then we are also using the black fiber optic here. So Dawn is gonna be on the opposite side of this sheet, right? And I put a piece of tape here. This is where her hand is gonna be, on the opposite side. Then I'm using my hand like so, and illuminating it like this to give the effect of a hand that's pulling her up out of all these other hands of hell. So then Dawn is actually doing the light painting of my hand. I'm laying down on the ground like so, very comfortably, like that. And then Dawn, go ahead, is taking the black fiber optic and doing that on my hand. And we're doing this repeatedly over and over, and just moving my hand like so. And that is creating this like effect of these hands on fire. I simply took some gels, as you can see there, cut them up. I left a little bit of space for the white, but then we've got orange and red, and that's what creates the effect of the fire that you're getting out the end. Again, it's just some gels that I cut up and put down in the end there. Nothing too special, but that's what I use to create the fire. I use a black fiber optic with some gels down at the bottom like that. Go ahead and stick it on the universal connector, and then you can see you kind of get that fiery effect. So that is creating this effect of the hands on fire. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and run through a shot right now, and I'll show you guys exactly what we do to create the shot that you're about to see. I'm shooting with the Canon 6D Mark II with the Sigma 24-105 on there, and the settings that we're using are f8, ISO 100, and then shooting on bulb mode. The exposure time, I think the last exposure time was 325 seconds. dig it.
That is incredible. It almost looks like I have wings on.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And my hair, the highlights in it, like, and your hand, look at how perfect your hand looks.
The hand alignment came out oh yeah.
Like, that's perfect. Because now it looks like, and before you couldn't see my hand as well. This one, you can really see the two of our hands.
Right. Dawn and I took that sheet with her lovely assistants and we created that. Come on, focus. I know you want to. Well, I'll put it up anyway, but that image right there, and it came out really cool. Dude, I love it.
Love it.
Ah, it's so
That's a
awesome.
wrap.
That is a wrap. That one came out so good. I hope you guys like this video. This is something I'm gonna try to do more often, is when I have people come over and shoot with me, or just when I'm out creating images, I'm going to kind of maybe break down my process a little bit and kind of show you how I create my images. The tools that we used in this video were the color filter and hood. I used the blue, the purple, the yellow, and the red to light paint the scene. I used the purple to illuminate Dawn. The only lighting that we did on camera side of the sheet was to illuminate Dawn. Everything else was done from the opposite side of the sheet. The settings that I used were ISO 100, f8, shooting on bulb mode. Total exposure times were between 300 to 350 some odd seconds. We only shot 3 images, so the third one is the one that I like the best. I'll show you guys those. But anyway, that's what we did. That's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Please hit the like button if you like it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments section below. If you want to see something else, tell me that too. Let me know what you guys want to see. Want to make more videos, and always looking for good ideas. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you have not. Thank you again very much to Dawn for coming and shooting with me. Hope you guys have a good one. Until the next video, get out there and get creative.